रॉकेट से उस जगह से फायर किया था इधर.
Okay.
बस इसी तरह रॉकेट के साथ हो गया, बम के साथ नहीं.
Okay, so they fired the rocket from that place somewhere.
Yes, in front of the wood on that mountain.
Okay, so from that mountain they fired the rocket to destroy the Buddha here. Okay, Baki. So tell me the history about the Buddha. How old this was and when the was this destroyed and.
2000 or 2000.
Okay, 2000 years.
know, yeah.
Okay, you don't know exactly. Okay.
Or 100,000, I know.
100,000. Okay. Going in one of the cave. Let's see what is inside. Okay. Ah, so this is going in the. Are they? Where is my mobile? I need the light. I need the light. Okay, so there is nothing. So this is the last one. And they used to live here. And even at the time of war, people used to come and live here as well in these caves because the police are by the army here to not go into the caves because of rockets firing. Back then this mountain is not so stable. Trying to rebuild it because you see this there, the stones they are collecting it, so they're trying to rebuild them. Hopefully in the next few years they will rebuild it. I see people working in their farms like them, and I want to see how the work look like here in Afghanistan in the farm. Okay, now give it to me. Okay. Okay, good. Five minutes now working with them, and I'm already exhausted. And they work here every day in this heat and sun, and they live here like this. Okay. Is it good?
That is good.
Yeah. One.
How many did you take?
Yeah, we are 5 people, right?
Yes,
So 2 for everyone?
everybody wants that's enough.
One enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
3, 1, 2.
Good?
Oh.
Okay, 3, 4, and one more. Good one.
The big one, okay?
Yeah, the good one. I think this one. Henna?
This one. Okay.
This one? Okay, this one. Okay. Wow. I like it. I am in the Bamiyan here now, as you know, and at this place, Gulgula city, it is called Gulgula city. I did not find any videos about that, so I thought maybe it would be good to go up there. But security there, they don't allow me to go there. They say that it is only for locals, and for foreigners, they have to get a special permission from us there. But still, we can have a little view from here. Okay, no problem. That's good. Oh, okay. So he has everything. All the watches. So maybe there have some Rolex. You have some Rolex. Rolex, yeah. Is that real Rolex, nah? Maybe I can find myself a real Rolex in Afghanistan. Let's see how much it costs. Okay, so that is the Rolex.
1,200.
1,200, so around $12. So you find a Rolex in $12 here in Afghanistan. Wow, it's great. What is this? Injection?
Injection, yes.
Injection?
Injection and
In perfume.
For the perfume. Okay.
For perfume we use that.
Okay, so it's a gauge for the perfume to take from here and in a small bottle.
In small bottle,
Okay. So here is how you get the perfume here in Afghanistan. That they take this, they use this injection from one big bottle to a small bottle. What an idea. Okay, what else do we have here? Some glasses, some really exotic perfumes like fog, I don't know. So they are all the real ones. And you know what I mean with real. It's like made in Afghanistan. Golden Girl, X-Bass. So they have everything. They have all the radios.
You can find everything.
You can find everything. So
Everything
from
is-
and see upstairs on the first floor. What do you find there? Okay. So there are all the tailors, I guess. Khayat. I don't know. Khayat. The cowling. I cannot read that. He said no problem.
no problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
We can go in.
Yeah, good.
Okay, let's go in there. Assalamu alaikum. Can we come inside? Yes? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you are busy. Assalamu alaikum. You are busy making some clothes.
Yes.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. You have some music and cooking some tea as well.
Muhammad is my best friend.
Mr. Muhammad,
Yes.
he's your friend.
Yes.
Okay, now he's my friend, Muhammad. Muhammad, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's go. Wow. We just visited. Thank you. Bye bye. And here, let's go this way. If you want to buy some bikes for the babies, you can also find them here, and some old bicycles. That's amazing. Can we go inside here?
Yes, come.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the bike repair shop and see what gym they has. Assalamu alaikum. Can we come in? Photo, no problem. Photo. Okay. So, okay.
No problem.
They are saying no problem. Oh, okay. Look, they have their everything for the. This is brakes for bikes, the lock. What do you find here still? They are making. This is a bike repair shop. Oh wow, this is getting bigger and bigger. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so he is a bike expert. He's making this bike. Little boy. How old is he?
چند ساله میگه باشه؟
25.
باشه 25 ساله؟ چی میگی؟ 25 years old.
He is 25 years old? He is a boy. Is it?
سال زیاد داره کلون نشده سونا میتره.
Yes, he have a lot of work. Yes,
Okay.
And he is stay small.
But he is 25? Really?
باشه 25 ساله هم میگه.
Okay. Well, good job.
سوی
Good job. Okay. Fish caps, some jewelry, and some bangles. Assalamu alaikum. And bangles. Oh, there are some Afghan bangles. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. Okay. Oh, wow. Well, they have very skill. Good job. I'm gonna sleep in this village tonight. I'm not supposed to talk here because people, they don't know that I'm here. No. So, but I'm gonna sleep in this village. Let me see that if there is some. I'm gonna sleep in this place tonight with my friends. This is my local friend's place. So let's see how the place looks like. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, I'm so tall, I think, for that. Okay. So let's see. All right. We are inside the
Yes, come
we are inside the room here, and that is the place where we're gonna stay here tonight. I hope they have some light, electricity, which I doubt. Okay, so he is making the electricity with his battery. Are you making with this battery electricity, right? Okay.
The lamp.
And that's how you get the light here, the lamp.
This house is another man.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this house from some other man.
I stay for 1 year.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I go. I left this.
Is it Kharzada?
Tu خواستی دیگه.
Kharzada is daughter.
As my
Salam.
my sister daughter.
Oh, your sister daughter. Okay, yeah. And he is Imran.
Yes, he is Imran, my small son.
And she is
She is my sister daughter.
okay from your sister.
इसका जो सिस्टर है
हाँ, ये उसकी बेटी है.
और उसका हस्बैंड है, दोनों फौत हो गया.
Okay.
ये बस अकेला एक बंदा है इसके पास रहती है.
Okay.
Only she is.
She is alone.
तो वो कैसे मर गया उसके जो है
चला कंफर्म करा. He is sick. He
बीमार
was
थे.
sick.
Okay, he was sick. Okay, she goes to school.
Yes, she go to school.
Okay, which class?
6th class.
6th class.
Yes.
Okay. And what does she want to do when she is big?
She want to be in the future a good doctor.
Doctor?
She help the people.
She will help the
The
people.
poor people, yes.
The poor people. Okay, what a great girl.
غریب کمک میشه.
Okay.
Kadmuş da Adri.
بزن کدی مش. آفرین.
Okay, he is a boxer.
آفرین. نام چیست؟ امران.